Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy remote work solutions with Slack, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by assessing your team's needs for remote communication and collaboration. Determine the main objectives you want to achieve with Slack. Create a Slack workspace by visiting slack.com and signing up for an account. Choose a unique name for your workspace that reflects your organization's identity. Once your account is set up, invite team members to join your workspace via their email addresses. Familiarize yourself with Slack's interface, including channels, direct messages, and the sidebar. Create channels based on different projects, teams, or topics to organize discussions. Encourage team members to join relevant channels to enhance collaboration. Customize channel settings according to your team's preferences for notifications and access. Utilize the direct message feature for private conversations or quick check-ins. Integrate third-party tools and applications that your team uses for seamless workflow. Explore Slack's file sharing capabilities to centralize important documents and resources. Set guidelines for channel etiquette and communication practices to ensure clarity. Schedule regular team check-ins via Slack to maintain connection and engagement. Utilize Slack's search function to easily find past conversations and files. Encourage the use of emojis and reactions for a more engaging communication experience. Take advantage of Slack's built-in reminders to stay organized and on track. Monitor team feedback on using Slack to address any concerns and improve the experience. Continuously review your Slack structure to adapt to your team's evolving needs. Celebrate team successes in dedicated channels to foster a positive remote culture. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.